What's up, you two? This is Al from 29 here, and welcome to Dun 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 Saturday with Am from 2099, episode 240. Yeah. So today, guys, I smell it in the air. Toy shows 2022 has begun. And you know that means it's time to saddle up for awesome toy hunting season. I smell it in the air with a fresh steam in my eyes. But make sure you like and subscribe and turn notifications on, and including my sweet Erica Cosell. She's the most powerful woman I ever seen in my life. But she knows how to get it up like a goat, as I love her, including Chantel Croft. God bless to the Lord. God bless to my life. And God bless America and everything like that. Yeah. So, as you guys know, that we're back in action. One more couple of times. 2 years ago, the pandemic was all locked down and everything like that. But the lockdown is not coming back on my watch. As you guys know, toy hunting is more about the power for summer to fall before Christmas began. Including the sponsor Box Lunch is part of this video as well. Box Lunch, as you have heard before, I told you so many times on my channel, Box Lunch is pretty cool in unique ways. But you always know what the next get up is. Anyways, guys, I know it's been a while. It's time to saddle up. It's time to toy hunt. It's time for the Migos and the Chimichangas that are burritos and my favorite ones. It's time to saddle up. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the second video for the vlog weekend, day 1. Ole. See you then. Take care. Subscribe today. Peace. Yeah.